Small businesses are the backbone of the economy, embodying the spirit of innovation, resilience, and self-reliance. They are the engines that drive growth, fostering job creation and community development. Imagine the potential of starting a business with a small investment, yet reaping substantial returns. This is not a far-fetched dream, but a tangible reality within grasp. With the right idea and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit, starting a small business under $100 is not just a dream, but a feasible reality. In the world of entrepreneurship, ideas are currency. Here are the first 25 out of 50 small businesses that you can start for under $100. Kickstart your entrepreneurial journey with business consulting. If you've got a knack for strategy, consider leveraging your skills to help other businesses thrive. Next, consider cleaning. Whether it's offices, homes, or cars, there's always a demand for cleaning services, and the startup costs are minimal. Dog walking is another low-cost business. If you love animals, this could be a great fit for you. For the creatives out there, consider freelancing on Fiverr. Sell your skills from graphic design to copywriting to a global marketplace. Ghostwriting is another option. If you have a way with words, there are countless clients who need your help to bring their ideas to life. Website creation is a lucrative field. With more businesses going online, the demand for website designers is ever increasing. If you're proficient in English, consider English language training. Help others to communicate effectively in the global language of business. Business coaching is another viable option. Use your experience to guide others on their entrepreneurial journey. CV writing is a service always in demand. Help job seekers present themselves in the best light. Business plan. Writing is another field where your writing skills can shine. Assist startups in crafting a compelling business plan. Proofreading is a meticulous task that many are willing to outsource. If you have an eye for detail, this could be the business for you. Book publishing is a dynamic field with many opportunities. Help authors bring their work to the world. Social media marketing is a growing field. Help businesses to build their online presence and engage with customers. AI consulting is a cutting-edge field. If you're tech-savvy, this could be your niche. Child minding is another low-cost business. If you love children, this could be a rewarding venture. Grant application. Writing is a specialized field. Help organizations secure funding with compelling grant applications. And finally, consider starting a business in Google or Facebook ads. Help businesses reach their target audience effectively. These are just a few examples that demonstrate the vast potential of small businesses. Take a minute to subscribe and share this video. The journey of entrepreneurship continues with more exciting business ideas. Here are the remaining 25 small businesses you can start for under $100. First off, business plan writing. Got a knack for strategic thinking and a persuasive pen? Help other entrepreneurs lay the groundwork for their dreams. Next up, proofreading. If you've got an eye for detail and a love for grammar, this could be the gig for you. Book publishing. With the rise of self-publishing, you could be the guiding hand for aspiring authors. Social media marketing. In the digital age, every business needs a social media presence. Why not be the one to help them achieve it? AI consulting. With AI becoming more prevalent, businesses need guidance to navigate this new frontier. child minding, a classic choice for those who love children and a business that's always in demand. Grant application writing. Help organizations secure funding by crafting compelling grant applications. Google Ads. Many businesses need help managing their online advertising. If you're a whiz with Google Ads, this could be your calling. Facebook ads. Similar to Google Ads, businesses need help reaching their audience on social media platforms. And lastly, business coaching. Use your experience to guide budding entrepreneurs on their journey. These ideas represent the breadth and depth of opportunities available in the entrepreneurial landscape. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And in entrepreneurship, that step is the decision to start. It's about taking that leap, igniting that spark within you. It's about the courage to act, the diligence to plan, and the resilience to keep going, even when the road ahead seems daunting. Entrepreneurship isn't for the faint of heart, but the rewards are immense. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. So, embrace your entrepreneurial spirit and embark on your business journey today. Subscribe to my channel and share this video.